Today I'm taking a look at this 90-piece abrasive and buffing wheel set. Now this is really handy, and I'm doing like small woodworking. I don't have a small woodworking project right now I can show this on, but I am going to demonstrate a little bit of this. Now this thing is a nice good sized kit of all kinds of different abrasives. You have some that range from the 80 to 120, 120 to 180, 240 to 320, 320 to 400, 600 to 800, and then you have your buffing wheels themselves. So you can take a project through all of these grits, really polish it up, and at the end put some polishing solution on these polishing pads, and you're good to go. For example, if you do jewelry polishing, I got a watch sitting here. I do have the polishing wheel on there, but this would work the same for all kinds of different things to polish up or take them through these grits. To change the bit on just on the a Dremel here, just a basic Dremel tool here I'm using. You could use many tools. Doesn't have to be a Dremel brand that fit this type of thing, but it's just as simple as loosening this up. You can change out the bit, put the whatever grit you want in there. I like that these all have the shafts already on them. Some of them you have to put the abrasive pad on a shaft every time. These all are ready to go, so it makes it nice and quick and easy. Just get this on here, snug it up, and I'm ready to go. And then once you've gone through your different grits for whatever project you're working on, and you get to the polishing point, that's where I remember this case here. You turn this on, and then you can go ahead and polish it up, so it's going to be really nice and shiny. And this is brand new, so it's losing a little bit of its first layer of fiber, but once you've gone through that, you've really got a nice looking watch piece, glass, whatever it might be. But this can be used on a lot of different things. Maybe you want to really polish your wrenches up. You can do that as well. You can take and put a polishing compound, clean your wrenches up. Another good thing is jewelry. I recommend taking it off, especially if you're sanding, but I can polish this ring right up really nice, make it shine, and it is good to go. Again, take the jewelry off before you do that. But you can see this is a very versatile set. I mean, you can take this up through all of these grits, really get something really, really shiny. Now, it comes in this nice container here. It's got them all separated out, which makes it really nice as well. Locks down, closes up, and you're good to put these away. But you can definitely use this for so many different projects, and that's what I'll be using for many projects, probably my woodworking quite a bit as well. Now, these guys were nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review, open these up, and show you what you're going to get if you were to order this. I want to thank them. This is definitely going to come in handy when I do small vases and stuff like that, and I really want to get a nice shine in some of those tighter areas. That's exactly what this would be great for. So I want to thank them for sending this out to me so I could do this short video and demonstration of what these are and how they work. And hopefully a short video helps you out, and you can determine whether or not this set will be right for you. But now, if you click that order button, you know what you're going to get. So there you go. Hope the video helps you out.